have Bitcoin? Here's how to top up your Cash App with crypto and turn it into spending cash. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. What you can and cannot do. You can deposit Bitcoin from an external wallet or exchange directly into your Cash App Bitcoin wallet. This adds crypto to your Cash App wallet, not US balance. And you cannot deposit Ethereum, Litecoin, or other cryptocurrencies. Only Bitcoin is support. Bitcoin holders can then choose to sell Bitcoin within Cash App or to convert to US dollar appearing in your Cash App balance. Now, how to deposit Bitcoin and convert to US? So make sure your account is verified, the KYC complete, and to enable BTC or Bitcoin deposit and withdrawals, verification may take minutes to a few hours. And option 2 is open Bitcoin section. Launch the Cash App and tap the Money tab or the Bitcoin icon and tap Deposit Bitcoin to view your unique Bitcoin wallet address or QR code. Step 3 is transfer Bitcoin from external wallet. So copy your Cash App wallet address or scan the QR code and then send the Bitcoin from your external wallet such as Coinbase or personal wallet, and you can deposit up to $10,000 worth of Bitcoin in any rolling 7-day windows. And depending on blockchain's confirmation speed, deposit may take a few hours to a day. Now, step 4 is monitor status. Check the activity tab in Cash App for deposit status. Many users report delays even after blockchain confirmation, and this may need Cash App support to resolve. Step 5 is convert this Bitcoin to US dollar. Once Bitcoin is deposited, tap the Bitcoin title and then select sale, and the fund will convert to US dollar to current rates and appear in your cash-like balance shortly thereafter. And here's some potential issues and troubleshooting. If you deposit more than $10,000 worth of Bitcoin in 7 days, it may reject and you will prompt to reverse the deposit and send it back to another wallet. And some users report funds stuck pending with blockchain's confirmation visible and no cash balance. So this may take days or require contacting Cash App support with your transaction ID. Delays and reversible fees may happen, especially if networks fees are too slow. And here's the best practice for you. Always confirm your Bitcoin wallet address before sending. Send only Bitcoin and other coins are lost automatically. So deposit a manageable amount to stay well under the 10K limit, and keep track of your transaction TXID for troubleshooting. And if delay exceeds 24 hours, contact support within the app. And that's it. Deposit Bitcoin, sell it in app, and top your Cash App balance all in few simple steps. If this video helped you out, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.